You got it. Oh, he's gonna drop it. You're trying again.
It's a bit big for his beak.
Yeah, it's a huge fish. Oh, that's bigger than his tummy.
He needs to just decide to share it with someone.
Yeah.
Or he's gonna lose it.
No, the fish is still alive. Come on, bud, no pressure.
Got an audience now. His mate next door as well is just watching his.
I know, it's like you right there, bud.
Oh,
Oh.
look at this greedy.
I know, I feel like he's gonna choke on it.
He's like, oh, let's try and.
I don't know how you eat that, but that looks too much. It's like, no.
No, you can't do it. What are you?
He's looking to his friend like, please help me.
Just like, no, you've said you can do it. Prove yourself.
If he tries, he's gonna choke on the fish.
He's trying.
This is so intense. What's he gonna do?
How long will he go at it, is my question. I mean, it's not like he's on any timer, so he could just try and play with this for the next half hour. Oh.
Oh, looks.
Oh.
Got it. Halfway there, mate. Looks bigger than your stomach, but you're almost there. Okay.
This has been going on for 3 minutes.
Has it actually? Oh, it's like.
Look at them birds at the bottom just
I
waving.
know. They're like fanning out their feathers.
I want to stop the recording, but I've been recording so long.
Oh, oh.
It's just. Do I stop or do I wait?
Okay, should I say or should I go? It's like he's trying to like half digest it before he eats the rest.
Maybe he is. It's just looking at
And then you're
us.
seeing this dilemma with the bird.
How often do you watch the birds?
They usually catch fish their size.
Yeah.
This one's got one. That's really
Alright, bye guy. I've just been.
They're just gonna have it chilling in the